Hi everyone. In this video we see problems from DAC and ADC parameters. Already I have solved a lot of problems in 2 videos. Let us continue that. Right. First question, calculate the values of LSB, MSB and full scale output for an 4-bit DAC for 0 to 1 volt analog output range. So what are the data given? It is a 4-bit DAC and reference voltage is 0 to 1 volt. Fine. Okay. Already I told how to find LSB. LSB is the value of a resolution, right? So resolution, how can I find V reference? V reference is V reference divided by 2 power n. V reference is 1 volt. 2 power n is 2 power 4, it is 16. So it gives 0.0625 volt, right? This is our LSB value. So whenever they ask LSB, it is simply a step size or resolution. If you see the video on ADC and DAC parameters, you can understand what is resolution. Resolution is always giving a least value or LSB value. So the LSB is given by 0.0625 volt. That is the answer for first part, LSB value. Next one, right? MSB. MSB is given by 2 power n minus 1 into R. See, why LSB I have found by using resolution. Multiply by 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is nothing but 1. Why I am using this concept? You see, if you take any 3-bit number like this, first bit represent 2 power 0, second bit 2 power 1, third bit 2 power 2. Right? So it is a 0, 2 power 0. So LSB is always 2 power 0. And MSB is, if it is a n-bit number, it is 2 power n minus 1. So for finding LSB, what I did simply is, I found a resolution and multiply with 2 power 0. Similarly, if you want to find MSB, find resolution and multiply with 2 power n minus 1. For any bit, you multiply with the corresponding position, right? It is last but one MSB means 2 power n minus 2, like that. So now I want to find what is MSB value. So MSB is given by 2 power n minus 1 into resolution. 2 power n minus 1, it is 2 power 4 minus 1, it is 8, into resolution is 1 by 16, because the reference is 1 volt, 2 power n divided by 2 power n for 16. So that is equal to 0.5 volt. Simple, right? So for MSB, the value is 0.5 volt. And next they asked is full scale output. Full scale output voltage is the difference between maximum and minimum value. Minimum is nothing but your resolution or step size or LSB value. So maximum is 0 to 1 volt they have given. Maximum is 1 volt. Minimum is, first we found it is 0.0625. So full scale voltage is 0.9375 volt. Right? So that is the answer. So it is maximum minus minimum. So we got the answer. So what are those answers? First one, right? So LSB, okay. LSB is 0.0625. MSB, it is 0.5 volt, right? And FSB, that is 0.9375 volt, right? That is the answer. Okay. Next question is, a 10-bit DAC has a step size of 10 millivolt. 10 millivolt. Step size is nothing but your resolution. So step size is 10 millivolt. It is 10 bit. Fine. What is this full scale output voltage and percentage resolution? We know that resolution in terms of full scale output voltage is given by resolution is equal to FSV divided by 2 power n minus 1. So what they ask is FSV. So FSV is equal to resolution into 2 power n minus 1. Resolution or step size is given by 10 millivolt. So it is okay. So here FSV is equal to resolution 10 millivolt. 10 millivolt means 10 into 10 power minus 3. That is 0.01 into 2 power n minus 1. It is a 10 bit. So 2 power 10 is 1024 into minus 1, 1023. So FSV is 10.23 voltage, right? Okay. So we got FSV. So full scale volt is 10.23 volt, right? Now what we have to find is, what is the percentage resolution? Percentage resolution means for a full scale voltage of 10.23, I have a resolution of 10 millivolt, right? That is what given. So full scale output I found. So I got a full scale output. For full scale output of 10.23, I have a resolution or step size is 10 millivolt. Then I have to find it for 100%, right? So let us go and see. Let me erase it. For full scale output of 10.23, I have a resolution of 10 millivolt, that is 0.01. Please. For 10.23, I have a 10 millivolt. 10 into 10 power minus 3 step size. What they ask is percentage resolution. For 100%, what is the answer? It is 0.09 something, it's coming. So that is equal to 0.1%, right? So which option is correct? It is 10.23, 0.1%. So option C is the right answer. Clear? So this is the way to solve the problem. Next one. Okay. Yeah, 6-bit DAC has input of 101001. For 1 is equal to 10 volt and 0 is equal to 0 volt. What is the output? So again, for any problems like this, I told, for any bit, how can you find the equivalent analog value? You find resolution, multiply by the total value. So what is the resolution here? R is equal to V reference by 2 power n. So V reference is for maximum 10, minimum 0. So it is 10, right? It is 2 power n minus 1. This is my FSV 10 minus 1. We got 10 minus 0. So 10 minus 0 full scale output, and it is 6-bit ladder. So it is 2 power 6 minus 1. It is equal to 10 by 63. So the resolution is 10 by 63. What is the corresponding analog value of 101001? The corresponding value of 101001 is 41. So simply you multiply by 41 to find what is the value of the digital input. So what is the answer you will get is, it is approximately 6.51 volt. See, you refer the same problem we have dealt in LSB and MSB finding, right? If you want to find MSB, we multiply with 2 power n minus 1 and the resolution. if you want to find LSB, we multiply 2 power n minus 1, 2 power 0 into resolution. For any number, for any bit sequence or like this 10, 1001, simply find the equivalent analog value and multiply with the resolution. So what we get is 6.5 volt, right? It's a simple logic, right? So I hope you understand all the problems very clearly. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in comment section. I'm happy to solve all the problems, right? Thank you.